Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what we have here is the ASUS TUF Gaming M4 Air mouse. And we would like to say thanks to our friends at ASUS Philippines for letting us check and test this new mouse. First things first, let us try to unbox the unit. For the technical specification of the mouse, it uses a PAW3335 sensor, USB 2.0 TUF gaming paracord cable. It has 6 tactile buttons, weigh only 47 grams without the cable, has polling rate of 1000 Hz, and a DPI up to 16,000. And also, it uses an Armoury Crate application for changing the settings and the configuration of this mouse. And now, let us try to check the application. For the Armoury Crate application, let us try to check what are the things that we can actually do or configure with the TUF Gaming M4 Air mouse. Right now, we are on the top view of the mouse, and what we have here is that scroll up, scroll click, scroll down, DPI switch, right button. And we can also try to check the one on the left side of the mouse, which we have the forward and the backward button. Okay, for each button, you can actually reconfigure them to their functionality. Like, for example, when we try to click forward button, and right now, it is on mouse function. And the mouse function is forward. You can actually change this one and choose whichever the things that you want it to do. Like for example, a macro, multimedia, and other things as well. And now let us try to go with the performance tab. Okay, for the performance tab, this is actually where you can set the DPI settings of the mouse and also the polling rate. And for the DPIs, as you can see here, there is actually 4 presets right now. So when I click the DPI switch on the mouse, it will automatically move to these DPI presets. DPI 1, DPI 2, DPI 3, and DPI 4. And for the polling rate, it is actually configured automatically to 1000 Hz, which is actually better compared to the 125 polling rate. And there is also an additional angle snapping button here. You can enable this one if you want to. And go into the calibration tab where you can actually just set the lip of distance of the mouse, like for low and high. And lastly, we have here the firmware tab, and you can actually check if there are actually available firmware for the mouse that you have. For checking the unit, I was really amazed with the hollow pyramid frame design of the mouse, and it was really light. So even though it was really light and it's a frame design, it is still durable and sturdy. And for the performance using different kind of mouse pad, it was really smooth because it uses a low friction 100% pure PTFE fit on the mouse. And I believe you are curious on what will happen if there is an accidental spill of water on the mouse. You don't have to worry about that one, for the mouse is IPX6 water resistant. So in case that you spill something over it, no need to worry about that one, but don't dip it on the water. Okay, if it happens, still remove the mouse from the computer and let it sit and dry it for a day before you actually use it again. And of course, you also want to hear how loud the mouse can get, and this is how it performs on my testing during clicking the mouse. And now, the question is, will I recommend this mouse? Honestly speaking, this is the first ASUS gaming mouse that I have tried, and I have been using it for my casual gaming for 6 days now, and I really love on how it performs. Okay, and it really works great. It is only priced at 2,190 pesos SRP, and it is actually cheaper than the other gaming mouse that I have tested before, and those mouse have double-click issues in less than a year. I think the M4 Air will last longer than those things. And so if you're looking for a mouse for gaming or even productivity, consider the ASUS TUF M4 Air. It is a good choice, and you can configure the buttons, and it is light and it performs good. I can't really say any negative regarding this one, but it doesn't have LED lights. Maybe those are something that you're looking for. This one does not have any RGB lights on it, okay? And I think, guys, that is all. And if you have questions and suggestions, comment down below or message me at JK Chavez on Facebook, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe, and bye.